Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you guys this new game engine, well, map editor slash level editor, whatever you want to call it. I've been working on. It didn't intentionally make this. I originally just made this to be a part of a game that I'm working on. What I'm doing is I'm making a strategy game based on the concept of an old Super Nintendo game called Super Conflict. And then there was also a Nintendo version called Conflict. Anyway, the idea of the game is you move around your units and attack other units. I've added some new elements to the concept of the game. Number one, the game was originally like Gulf War era. It was United States basically versus Soviet Union. Even though they didn't say it, you could pretty much figure it out. So mine's going to be a medieval version though. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. What you can do here though is right now is you can just move your unit around. There's no other units to test the battle system in here, and not all the mechanics are in here yet. But this is pretty much a pretty good working scale so far of the map editor, etc. So you can move around in the map or in the engine. For some reason, it's not wanting to work. Let's go. Anyway, so what you can do here though is you can just move around wherever you want. I need to adjust that though so it changes the focus. For some reason it's not wanting to scroll over to the right. It's alright. Anyway, so you can scroll around. You can either use the mouse wheel, you can use scroll bars, or you can use just your mouse itself based on location. Now it's actually will intelligently scroll or somewhat scroll. So if your unit is selected to move, it won't actually move the map. So let's say you wanted to select battle, and there was another unit right here within one block. You can click on it and you could attack it. Some other things that it's going to have in this game, based on your terrain, will either give you an advantage or a disadvantage based on your terrain versus their terrain. So if I'm in the dry grass and you're in the forest, um, I don't know yet if I'll what advantage I'll give, offensive or defensive advantage, but I would assume that the forest is going to get a defensive bonus because they're in the forest. So versus the open field, so that would be an advantage possibly, like if you're an archer or something attacking an infantry. But an infantry, like in an open field, might have an advantage over archers in the open field because there's nowhere to hide. So things to consider, of course. Anyway, these are just some graphics I went out and I found online as well. Not anything major, except for the actual map tiles itself. These were given to me by my friend Roman. Um, so he did all the art for these, and then I kind of spruced it up with these tiles where they meet each other. Not sure if I'll keep that function or not, but just some stuff around here you guys can see. It's not too bad. Um, some things I can do with this as well. If I turn that off and I rebuild, go ahead and take away the outline, and then it looks a lot different. But because this is a strategy game, I will probably for this game I'll leave that on. So go back to that. What else I plan on doing with this as well is I plan on possibly selling this map editor tool, uh, since I've only seen a couple for Visual Basic and they weren't very good. Maybe one or two of them like actually worked, but even then it really wasn't that functionable. So what I'll probably end up doing is I'll either sell like copies of it or I'll give it away. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, but anyway, what it'll do is it'll export your map or each tile as an image in a list. It'll export that to like an XML document, or maybe even just a simple text document, and then you can import it using your program that you build to import your map. It'll be fairly simple code, just be a file stream, but it'll import that data for you. I'll probably put like a panel down here, so when you're painting, you can literally just import and export what images you want, and it'll automatically save them in like a folder or something for you. So something like that would be nice. Figured that would be helpful to anybody out there using Visual Basic like I am for development. It would be pretty nice. All right. So anyway, this is my game slash map editor so far. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear you guys' suggestions. Of course, none of this stuff right here is actually working yet. Still a lot to do here, but I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, thank you.